Hey, you internet addicts on YouTube. It's another edition of Bo Wiz Builds. It's time to put the Rat Roller HD back together. I got a question first, though. How many people actually eat at their kitchen table? Here's my kitchen table. Solid oak. Tell you what, man, it makes one hell of a workbench. That's the most use this table's gotten since I've lived here. Building these damn wheelchairs and rat rollers and just goofing off in here. Anyway, got the frame. I still don't have all my parts. I'm waiting for parts. I'm tracking them on the old mail service, and snail mail ain't what it used to be. Man, they used to get shit here fast. Now it's like, oh boy. But I understand we're living in a different time. Another one of my addictions, Monster Energy drinks. Years ago, 15 years ago, I gave up alcohol. Drank my first energy drink. I don't know which is cheaper, alcohol or Monster Energies. Both horrible habits to have. Let me show y'all something. These were the suspension blocks for obese people to sit on. And apparently at 500 pounds, these will start giving a little cushion to your back so you don't blow out the discs in your back. Only weigh $1.50, so this don't serve me any purpose. Check out what I got though. See these? These valve springs come out of a colder engine and old lawnmower engine. And check this out. They actually fit perfect in there for the lower swing one. So I'm gonna have valve springs out of a motor. An internal gasoline combustion engine. That's what that came out of. On an electric mobility scooter, that's metal, locked in. Make her all nice and sweet. It's pretty cool because it's got that inner valve spring and that helps line everything up. Oh, got to put your washer on there. I don't know how much compression I'm going to have in there, but we'll see. If not, I can always experiment with different spring rates. Let's see how this one measures up. Come here, spring it in. Hey, let's bring y'all over here and give y'all a better look at what's going on. How about this way? Here, I'll sit you here. You can look at my garbage bag hanging in the back. And my cheap dollar store potato chips and corn chips that I eat. Okay, what happened here? You know what? I may have to loosen up on this a little bit. But she will go down in there. These are going to be simple to get to once everything's put back together. If I need to change springs out, I probably will. Matter of fact, I'd give Jaime a couple old wheelchairs that I was going to do something with them, and either they broke or there was something wrong with them that I couldn't fix, or wasn't going to put the money in to fix. So, I still got parts over there, and one of them was a sit-down two-wheel drive, standard electric wheelchair, and it's for heavy-duty people. And they had two little shock absorbers with coilover springs on them that were adjustable. That would be cool to put on here. Back off on myself a little bit. Adjust my spring rate. Oh, too much. Just like in NASCAR, you don't give it a little bit of turn. You give it too much, you'll end up in the wall. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the rear end is mounted back under it. And it's been extended back, so the big tires are clear. Gotta admit something. When I said it took us 4 to 5 hours, 6 hours to do all this modifying work, I was kind of stretching the truth. It was only about an hour. We got it done and got back in the air conditioning because, ladies and gentlemen, if you look outside right there, Texas is cooking right now in August. I mean, you got to be tough or have a cooler full of beer, water, or whatever it is you do to keep yourself cool because it's cooking. That ain't no fun. As y'all seen in my last video, we custom built the fork. Well, we custom modified it, redneck style. Just what I had pictured. So, we had it mocked up over there and, went ahead and finalized everything, got it there. So now I'm going to go ahead and set it up and see about getting it centered in the forks and what it's going to take. I got to go buy a new bolt tomorrow. And so I can replace that front axle, but this is going to work. I'm going to go ahead and do this from headshot so y'all can get first person view. I don't remember exactly what combination of spacers we were using, but I'm almost guessing it's going to be something like this. This may be a shit show, me trying to do this by myself. Let's see if we can get this axle on here. And lift the tire up. Come on, fire. Oh, wait a minute, we gotta do this. Well, this thing could be setting up a little bit higher. That would actually help me out a lot. Let's see if we can raise it up a little bit more. The tire probably not gonna ride there like that. Yep. Wow, would you look at all that rubber? I'm starting to see rust forming too. I love rusty stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, This is still in mock-up stage. I'm waiting on the hubs to come in so I can attach tires, and I'm hoping they fit. I mean, we'll find out. I'm getting hubs for a go-kart, so, and they run them little fat, wide tires on them. I'm hoping they'll fit. We'll see. If not, there's always something else we can do. Change it up. Well, here I am, heading back to the welder. Towing the Rat Roller HD. Using my Rat Roller to haul the new Rat Roller HD. That's pretty fucking cool, wouldn't you say? Look at there. Open door policy for me, man. Hey, I ran into an issue. Trying to make these new hubs that I got fit these wheels. As you see, it's a smaller bolt pattern, smaller hub. I did this for mock-up so I can clear, but it's going to be a delay. I just got back from Brazos Valley Welding Custom Shop. They're going to make me a plate to fit in here and then fit on here and be able to bolt everything up. So they're going to make the adapter plate with a water jet to where everything will bolt right up and I won't have to do any more drilling or anything like that, and it's going to be solid. There's going to be so much weight on the back of this, you don't need no gap in here, and you damn sure don't want all the weight of the mobility scooter riding on these lugs. So in order to do it right, I had to shove out another $100, ladies and gentlemen, but it's going to be right.